Oh, hey, it's Michael Bernier of Bernier Design Group, and I'm really glad you're here because it's an opportunity for me to tell you about a new page I am starting called Think Outside. Think Outside is a place to go to learn all about my landscape design tips, plants I love, sustainable living, and just all things outdoors. And the first thing we're going to be launching is a web series called I Fucking Love This Plant, where you're going to learn more about this plant and a lot of other plants that I love to use, all my favorite plants in my gardens. In fact, this Mexican feathergrass right here, I have a funny story about this particular plant. We just completed a project in Mexico City, and the client specifically wanted this plant. So I thought, well, we're in Mexico, right? It's got to have Mexican feathergrass everywhere. I couldn't find it anywhere. In all of Mexico City, I couldn't find Mexican feathergrass. Go figure. But where we do have it is right here in Ricardo's Nursery in Long Beach, California. So make sure you check them out. Thank you for tuning in. And remember, think outside, live outside, and make your world a more beautiful place.